Hello everyone. So today I'm just going to start with data structure. I'm going to take simple data structure or called linear data structure. I'll start with the array data structure. So so what is an array? So array is a kind of hot cake or a kind of darling, one of the darling topic in the interviewer panel. So what is an array? So array is a collection of items stored in contiguous contiguous memory location. And what are the tips for the array? So what are the tips that to remember? Tips to remember were in array. So number one, in array, index start from 0 and searching an element in array is fast, that is order of 1. And third tip is adding and removing an element from an array is slow because you can't change the size of the array once it's created. And arrays mostly it's a homogeneous data structure, and this means you cannot store a string in an integer array and vice versa. That means if we have an array and array has already stored the string values, then in that array, in that particular array, you cannot store integer value. So as it is a homogeneous data structure, so one of the key things that we need to remember. So these are the pretty much about array. So I'll just go and solve HackerRank. So if I just go to HackerRank and I'll just go with the problem solving, or I'll just go with the data structure. I'll go with the array, simple array, set the code. So if I just talk about this particular, just a very simple problem, I think. So in that, the problem statement is saying that an array is a type of data structure that store element the same type in the contiguous block memory. In array A of size n, each memory location has some unique index that is 0 to n that can be referenced as a array of I. You may also write as a of I given an array. So it's a problem statement given an array A of n integers So array is there and we have multiple integers. Print each element reverse order. So it's saying that printing the value in reverse order. So like we have 1 2 3 4. So output should be 4 3 2 1. The simple problem, we have to go to that particular loop and we have to take one more array so that we can store reverse order of array. So I'll take I'm just working on Java, so we need to select from here Java. So I'll take here int new array equal to. So in Java we need to declare, we need to create an object because everything is an object and class. So we need to create a new int. After that I just create an array. So what should be the size? So size I'll take same as the existing one. After that I'll just create a loop. So loop should be start from reverse order. So first I'll take the length in length of array equal to a dot lemgth length. So this will give the length of array. So in start I equal to length of array minus 1 because the last index will not be calculated, so that is, and I should be greater than equal to 0 and I minus. So every time we have to come so here I'll just store, so a of I, so value will be coming, so I have to store in new in this particular array, so from 0 index we have to store. So I'll take int value equal to 0. By default I'll take it here, so I'll just store here value. After that what I'll do, I'll just increase this val every time. So val plus plus, okay. So val plus plus. After that I have to return that particular array. So return new AR array. Okay, so this is pretty much just it. So I've got the array. I'm just going from the back end. So backside, so suppose length is 3, so 3 minus 1 become the 2. So I am index of 2. So after that I equal to 2, so it will come here a of 2 become, so whatever the value I'm just going to give, suppose I'll give the 2 value 1 and 2. So I'll just run the code here. Sorry, so I'll just run the code here. So I got the output 2, so I'll just submit the code. This is are running here, so we need to check. So actually in this HackerRank, in this kind of problem, so there are multiple test cases, so each test cases has to be pass. So that means, so congratulations, so our problem has been solved. So this is the particular problem that we have gone through. Thank you so much. That's it for this particular array. So it's a kind of very simple problem. So we need to take a simple loop and we have to go from the behind, and we have to store each and every value in the new array, and we have to increase the index. So every time from 0 to 1, and it will come from minus side. Suppose it is 3, 3 become 2, 2 become 1, it becomes 0, 1, 2, and it will store 0 will store the last index value, 1 will store the second index value, then 2 will store the third index value, and after that each time we are increasing, and it is going it is incrementing the particular this array, and that's it, and we are returning this new array. Thanks, bye bye.